In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from SafePal to Cash App. Launch the SafePal app on your device. Go to your asset list and select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer to Cash App. Tap on the send icon in the SafePal app. Enter the Cash App deposit address, which you can find in Cash App settings under Funds or Bitcoin. Input the amount of cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Choose a gas fee for the transaction. The fee compensates miners or validators for processing the transaction. Select a fee that balances speed and cost efficiency. Double check all details, including the destination address and amount. Authorize the transaction by entering your security password or using fingerprint authentication. Once authorized, the transaction will be broadcast to the blockchain. Processing time depends on the network congestion and the gas fee chosen. And that's it. Now you know how to withdraw money from SafePal to Cash App. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.